I've been seeing some of these bugs lately, and I've been killing them by hand, but then I've been using some organic pesticide and see if it helps.
Natural pesticide and fungicide. It clears the garden of pests and has no harmful chemicals and costs next to nothing. Protecting plants from pests and fungi is essential for their healthy growth and development. Various insects, mites and snails can do a lot of damage, slow down the growth of plants and reduce their yield. In addition to directly damaging the plants, they can also transmit dangerous diseases that further weaken the plants. So please stay with us until the end of this video, because we will prepare a powerful natural pesticide and fungicide that will protect your plants. This preparation works against aphids, caterpillars, snails, ants, potato beetles, mites, whiteflies, and several types of fungi. Ants feed on the secretion, honeydew, from aphids, which makes the problem even worse. So it is very important to repel them from the plants because they will ruin all your efforts. Dear friends, please help us by subscribing to our channel. It is free. Thank you.
Today we're going to make the organic pesticide with ingredients that you already have at home. I put a jug of water in the sun for a few hours so that the chlorine will evaporate. It's just tap water, and the water will become warm because we need warm water. So we start with 16 ounces of water. We put some water in the blender, and 2 cloves of garlic, half a spoon of black pepper, and half a spoon of cinnamon. And we will blend this. And we'll add that mixture to the rest of the water. A cap on it. The coffee cups are perfect for this. And then we leave it for 24 hours. And there's a couple of more ingredients that we have to add later. I'll show that later. Now that we left the mixture for 24 hours, we're going to strain it. You could use a paper towel or a piece of cloth. You're gonna need, if you use paper towel, you're going to need 2 or 3 pieces. Actually, the cloth is better. Paper towel will kind of clogged after a while, and we have to change it. We have to strain it because we don't want the sprayer to get clogged. And we're going to transfer this liquid to the sprayer. And we'll add 3/4 gallons of water, warm water. This is regular tap water. You could leave this in the sun for a few hours so that the chlorine will kind of evaporate, and also it will also warm up the water. Now we will add 3/4 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 3/4 tablespoons of dish liquid. Close the top. And mix it. Don't shake it hard because then you will get soap suds. Just mix it well, and then spray the top and underneath of the leaves. But spray it very early in the morning or in the evening when the sun is out, because otherwise it can burn the sun rays might burn the leaves. And every time you use it, just mix it a little bit and you could just use it. So we're going to test it on a leaf. Okay, so we will test it on this leaf. It's got some fungus and also some holes from the insects that ate it. So we will spray the top and also the bottom. And we will wait 24 hours to see if there's any damage to the leaf. If there's no damage, we're gonna spray the whole plant and all the whole area. It's been over 24 hours and I see no further damage to the leaf. So we're going to spray the solution, the whole plant, and also the bottom. Okay.
Preparation for about 3/4 gallon, 3.5 liters, in 16 ounces, 1/2 liter of warm water. Add 2 cloves of garlic chopped by hand or blender. Garlic is an excellent natural insecticide because it contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which has a strong repellent and antimicrobial properties. Its strong smell confuses insects and deters them from the plants. Also, the sulfur compounds prevent the development of fungi and bacteria. In addition, garlic interferes with the nervous system of many pests, reducing their ability to feed and reproduce. Then add a 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, which has strong antifungal properties, and its smell bothers many pests, which will prevent them from attacking the plants. These ingredients are enough, but you can add 1/2 spoon of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that acts as a natural repellent, deterring insects and hindering their ability to feed. You can add red pepper powder instead of black pepper, and you can also add 1 spoon of neem oil or rosemary oil if desired. Mix it well and leave the mixture for 24 hours so that the ingredients are well combined and become more effective. Add 1 spoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide treats fungal diseases. Add 3/4 spoon of dish soap. Dish soap helps break down the wax layer on the bodies of the insects and prevents them from breathing, which dries them. At the same time, dish soap helps the solution to adhere better to the plants. Then strain the liquid to prevent clogging of the sprayer. Dilute the mixture with another 3/4 gallon, 3 liters, of water. If you have a severe problem, mix the mixture with just 1/2 gallon, 2 liters, of water for a stronger solution. If using tap water, leave 1 gallon, 4 liters, with the cap open, in the sun for several hours so that most of the chlorine will evaporate and warm up the water. Test first on 1 leaf of the plant first, and check the leaf after 24 hours. Then spray the plants every week, or every few days depending on the severity of the pest problem. Spray very early in the morning or in the evening, never under the sun, it will burn the leaves. Spray after heavy rain when the leaves are dry. The most important part is to spray the underside of the leaves, where pests usually lay their eggs. If the eggs remain intact, then the problem will not be completely solved. Please share this video with your friends so that they can also combat their pests problem. Thank you.